So I have an idea for a new dating app slash get to know your app with three sort of big improvements in my opinion. And I will explain them. Well, the first improvement is instead of giving you one person to date and just matching one, it's actually okay to group of 4 to 10 people with at least one person who thinks you're compatible with. The reason why this is a better idea is first, if you don't know who it's exactly matching you up with, there's going to be less pressure for you to not appear yourself or in general environment. And that means you're more likely to be less fake. And when you're less and fake, you can be fake and extra attractive to people for like a month or so, or someone else to you. But that's just going to mean later on the thing is going to fall apart. With less pressure, there might be more icebreakers. You're more likely just not to run away. Other people might break the ice with you, helping the whole thing go along more smoothly. It's also more likely to work from a data standpoint because if it's picking out a group of 10 people, there's 9 to 5 other possible matches to you. Or maybe less, but there's more possible matches. So likely that one of them is a good idea. It's much more likely. It's from there. And also the algorithm can also learn a little better because it gets more data each time. But also it can learn more better because it can be more explorative itself, the algorithm, and try different masses up of different groups or try different preferences for different people out and figure out what you really like. Or explore a broad range of references so this don't only pairs you with a person, type A person, but pairs you with A and B because it figures out you like 2 distinct types of people, A and B. Stuff like that. Or figure out that what types of groups work best because maybe there's a person that doesn't help you with dating or something, but it's not someone you date directly, but help you with the icebreaker part or other things. The other thing that I might work better with is it gives you more reason to hang out with the people, since you're not just hanging out with one person. The more you hang out with people, the more you interact, the closer you're more likely to get to someone. The fifth reason is it also will work better with non-traditional ones that are beyond just a couple, or people with or people that are attracted to more genders by giving them more gender diverse option, and it will kind of normalize it, which will help I think to this end. But also it normalizes the idea of not just being a couple, but also living in a community, because maybe it makes a community of friends and people, not just a couple. And this community, even if you're not married to them, can help you raise a kid, or just help you for your marriage, or just in general help you if you ever have tough times or both you are disabled, something like that. And 6th thing that I might help you with is just leads you more possible just to find friends. My 3rd idea about how to make this app better than traditional apps is to have a prompt. And this prompt will be prompts that appears just as an icebreaker to start conversations between you. They're a lot less than just like you look blank or you look blank or oh I like your hair, because that's not really a topic you can be on the rest of your life. It doesn't really get your personality, especially pickup lines. So it will help a significant person that also is not good at pickup lines and stuff, but have a lot of interests. And besides that, again, reads out the fake relationships faster, which I forgot to say, and makes everything less awkward. The last idea I have, and boy did I number this wrong badly, so I'll fix the numbering. The last idea I have is that after the date, or after a couple dates, you rank it. And you just ask for continuous ranking feedback after 1 or 2 dates, after a couple of days later, so it can figure out the progression of dates and everything, so you can start to build up a better library of what works and what doesn't work for future. And following up a little after everything gets you not only what do you like to swipe on, but what do you actually like after you've been on a date. Also, with the prompts, I forgot to say is, if you chat an app, and we have to talk about data privacy here, it might help a lot because there can be more data to help you match up better. Well, thank you very much for listening. Please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. Thank you very much. Goodbye.